and there have been several concerns raised about the quality of imported dietary supplements, and there have been several laws passed in the last few years to control the quality of these products. Now, if you go to my slide 2, what we will talk about today is what are the rules that apply to dietary supplements, and what are the rules specifically that apply to new ingredients of dietary supplements. We'll talk about the documentation and labeling requirements that apply to dietary supplements in the U.S. market, and of course the same rules apply to imported products. We'll talk about registration of facilities, the field exams that FDA, the audits, or field exams. FDA calls audits of dietary supplement facilities as field exams, and of course we'll talk about how do you deal with the refusal to entry when you are importing a product and you are refused entry at the port of entry. What are the avenues available to you to address those issues? But almost everything for dietary supplements hinges on quality, how they are manufactured, what kind of documentation accompanies it, is that documentation independently verified or not. So unlike therapeutic or preventive products, unlike drugs and biologics, which require evidence of safety and efficacy, for dietary supplements, safety and efficacy is extrapolated from quality. If this is made within under GMP requirements from FDA, it is going to be compliant. It is going to be safe and effective. And that rule has stayed for many years. It has been there since the beginning of regulation of dietary supplements, which in itself is not very old. Before 1994, and if you go to slide 3, you would see some of the regulatory milestones, or some of the regulatory definitions of dietary supplements. Till 1994, there was no definition of dietary supplements. 15th of October, to be very specific, 1994 is when the Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act, DSHEA, was passed by the Congress. And the main reason for that was numerous reports of substandard and bad quality dietary supplements coming into the U.S. markets and causing injury to patients. Injury either because of contaminations, either because of lack of the ingredient that was on the label. Maybe it was contaminated with other ingredients. We had numerous cases of dietary supplements being contaminated with heavy metals, being contaminated with steroids, and so on. So there were many concerns which led in 1994 for the passage of the DSHEA. So everything that we talk about dietary supplements in this country actually starts. That's the start date of the clock for every rule, 15th of October, 1994, and you will see the importance of that date very soon when I talk about the new dietary ingredients. Now, some specifics for dietary supplements within this law are that these